up YouTube? It's Louis here. I hope you're all well. We're looking at Quant today on the daily time frame. I just want to make you guys aware that we've turned on the super thanks down below. If you want a comment, that's going to, get priority over the other comments, just because we've been growing so much, guys. The comments are getting so out of control. I love it. Keep commenting. It's just getting a bit out of control. So this is why I've turned on the super thanks option as well as memberships option. Go check the memberships out. But if you just want to leave a nice comment and then give back to the channel after all the time and all the information that you've learned from the channel, then that's more than appreciated. Again, you don't have to whatsoever, but again, if you want to support the channel, the super thanks is there. Or if you want to get these exclusive perks that you get in the membership, it's all there. It's the first link in the description down below if you want to see the memberships. And then the super thanks is just the heart where it says like and share. So we're going to look at the daily time frame on Quant. Now I keep getting in the comments, Louis, are we going to test the lows again? Louis, are we going to go up? So I can't tell you a definitive answer because I don't personally know and no one knows. What I can say is there's criteria that allows us to get more idea of what's going to happen, basically. So of course we know when you lose the 1 fib level, you go to the 1618, and when you hit the 1618, you get this bounce. If you do not want to come to these lows again, if you do not want to, I'm not saying we are not, I'm saying if you don't want it to come down there, then you have to get above the 20 EMA, which is also that 1 fib level, $83. This is if you do not want price to come back down to 55 and even lower to 44. To miss this out, for us to never go to 55 or 43 again, you need to get above 83 and it's still not safe. That's the first step. Then get above 111, then get above 150. So it's not like, okay, now we're above 85, we're going to $400. It's not like that. I can't say that, okay? I can say once we're above this, we're going to the next level. And once we're above this, we're going to the level. It has to be step by step like this. I'm not going to say, we're going to $400 and then we don't, because whose reputation is that tarnishing? My own. So I'm going to tell you how a trader views this market. A trader never wants it to go in one direction. Of course, as investors, we want this to go up. But we're not like in our heads only thinking this can go up, like most of these people in this market, tricking themselves, cheating themselves, thinking that this only goes up. That's not the fact. The fact is this can go up or down. So as a professional trader, we need to prepare for both scenarios, and we just take the scenario that happens. We don't say, guys, we're going to $20 today, and we're going to $20 and there's no way we're going up. And then what happens? You go up. So I'm not going to be that dickhead, guys. I am not a dickhead, okay? I'm not going to put my reputation on the line. I know what I've been doing over the last 3 years and it works. And as a professional trader, what do you need to do? You need to prepare for both scenarios. You can't be biased. If you're biased, you're losing. Guaranteed loss. If you're unbiased and you just say, okay, if we lose this 1 fib level, now we're coming down, then we're going to go to the 1618. You lose the 1 fib level, you go to the 1618. Did I say we are going to the 1618? I said no. I said if we lose the 1, we're going to the 1618. I did not say we are 100% going. We are only going there once you lose the 1 fib level. When we're up here, I'm not saying, 100% certain we're going down. Although we did have targets down here, that would have been one reason why I said yes. There is a reason why we should go down here, but does that mean with 100% confidence it's 100% going to happen? No, this is what we go through on the channel every single day, guys. So if you appreciate that, like the video, subscribe and comment so we get the algorithm, so we get to the top of the search results for the Quant updates. Well, not only this, if you want to take action, have a read of the memberships, see what there is. There's custom emojis, there's shout outs, there's Discord chat for a month, there's a single mentorship lesson, there's exclusive videos or early access to videos, my mistake, early access to videos. You have to go through them because I can't think of it all the top of my head, but each membership level has access to different perks. And that's pretty much it about, us basically saying that in trading nothing is 100%. I can't give you a prediction. Technically I can predict both ways, But I'm not saying it's only going this way. I'm getting you ready for both. Why? Because I don't know where this is going. I just know the two scenarios that are going to happen. And then whichever it shows, we take that one. There's no, oh, I want this one to play out. Oh, I want this one to play out. There you go. That's being biased, guys. And we can't do this. We prepare for the bearish scenario down, and we prepare for the bullish. The bullish one is, if you don't want to come down lower than this, get above the 1 level. And then the 618. And then 150, and then you're safe. Once you're above 150, you're safe. Anything before 150, you're not safe. There's a risk of still going down. Even if you reclaim this 1 fib level, for the moment you won't go down. But if we get to the 618 and you flip this support into resistance and you lose the 1 fib level again, I'm telling you guys now, if that happens where we come up to the 618, you fail to hold the 1 as support and you lose it, and you come back down to the 1618, that is when we will continue lower. Am I saying that's going to happen? No, I'm preparing you for that situation. What has to happen for that situation to happen? You need to get above the 1. Once you're above the 1, you're not going down. Then we're going up. Okay, you come up. Okay, what if this turns from support into resistance? If so, you're coming back down to here. If this does not hold, you've lost the 1 fib level. What does that mean? You're coming back to the 1618. Because we've been there before, it's weaker, so you go straight through it. Okay, I'm not saying this is going to happen. I'm preparing you for that scenario. This is what we do on the channel, guys. I hate all of this. Louis, I know you're super technical with your analysis, but what's your target for the end of the year? What's your target for 2025? What's your target for 2030? Again, guys, do you want me to lie to you? There's no point of asking, because no one knows. No one on this planet knows, okay? Everyone thought we'd be at 200k Bitcoin by the end of last year. Even I did, okay? What's happened? Everyone got absolutely mugged off. So if you want to go ahead and mug yourselves off, go and predict for next year. No, that's not how it works. We have targets. Fibs don't lie. These targets will be met. No one has an idea when they will be met, but they do know that they will be met if certain criteria is held, i.e. lose the 1 fib level, you're going to the 1618. However, that is the target. Doesn't mean it will go down there. We've explained so many times on channel, and we predicted this whole move over here. Once we lost the 1 fib level, you go to the 1.272. Then you get this bounce. I called it exactly. That bounce must reclaim the 1 fib level if you don't want to go further. If this bounce over here that we had does not get above $83, we continue down to the 1618. That's what's happened. I've prepared you for both scenarios. Of course, I'm always going to be right, guys. I'm always going to say it worked as predicted, because I'm predicting both ways. I'm not saying, no, we're only going up. No, we're only going down. As a professional trader, you prepare for both. And if you're right every time, amazing, because it's not like we have a bias. We're preparing for both scenarios. I didn't say we're going down. I didn't say we're going up. I said, once you lose the 1, your target is the 1618. However, because of what I've seen over the last 3 years, I know that once you hit the 1.272, there's a high chance you bounce back up to the 1. Now, if it stays as resistance, you continue down. But if you get above it and hold its support, you go up. Because I've seen it multiple times. I've lost this trade so many times. So many times. So I know, okay, I know the two potential scenarios that can happen. So of course I'm going to be right always, guys. But that's just how it is, you know what I mean? If I just said, no, we're just going down, and then it goes up, fair enough. I would have been wrong, but I'm not like that. We always look for both scenarios. You don't want one, you don't want the other. You wait for the chart to show you what it's going to do, and you react. You don't predict, you don't forecast, you don't be biased, you react. By preparing for both scenarios, and then whatever happens, you react. Perfect, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to check the memberships down below. If you want to support the channel, please hit the super thanks and send in a comment. That will be at the top of the priority list. And if you're interested in those crypto packages, I'll bring you over to now. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and peace. And here are the crypto packages. Here is how to get started. Click the link to my Twitter, head over to the pinned post, and all you need to do is message under and just type, hey, Louis, I'm interested in the mentorship, and that's a-okay. Perfect, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.